Well, the Welsh language is of key importance to me because I have the strategic responsibility for developing the Welsh language in the college. So in terms of my job role, it's a key element. On a more personal level, it's a language that I've just started to learn. I've just started classes. I've had 2 or 3 classes, and I'm finding it a very interesting language linguistically and historically. But also it's important to remember that it's one of the 2 official languages in Wales, and I think more needs to be done to remind people of the equal status of both languages. So that's what I understand by the importance of the language.